Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to install Houdini on Centos 8. First go to sitefx.com/download and click on the download button. Save the file and wait for the download to finish. When it's done, open the terminal and change the directory to the downloaded folder. Unpack the compressed file. Change the directory to the uncompressed folder. Switch to root user typing su and your password. Type /houdini.install and press enter. Press enter to scroll down. Type yes and press enter. If you want to add an item to be installed, type the item number and press enter. Type F and enter to finish. Now install libnsl by typing yum install. Change the directory to /opt/hfs and the version you have installed. Type source houdini_setup. Type exit and get out of root user mode. Type Houdini. Press next if you want the apprentice version like me. Accept. Press run. And that's it. Now you have Houdini on your Centos 8. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.